Welcome to Costa Rica. Pura Vida. This is awesome!
It's magical! Oh, Minyan. It's not mad, just saying hello. Wow, look at that river. That's a long way down. Whoa, Manning, so slow, so cute. He looks like a superhero.
Wow, look at that waterfall.
It's so high.
This is the best adventure ever. Look at that. It's even more beautiful than the pictures.
Wow! It's so big! We found it!
Listen to nature.
Look at them! They're so small. Call. Go on. Swim free. Free. Call. Try some of this mango, Coco.
Oh, he loves it.
So adorable together. Wow. This is the best feast ever!
I know, right?
Look at all this amazing fruit! I can't wait to try it! Wow! This is so much fun! I know! Let's splash higher! Look! Coco is flying!
Yeah, Pura Vida magic.
Look, Coco! Dolphins! They're jumping so high! Squawk! Pretty! Wow, they're swimming right beside us!
And just when it seemed all hope was lost, the brave adventurer leaped across the chasm.
Wow! Whoa, my, he did!
And then, with a mighty leap, the brave pirate swung onto the ship.